welcome to my yard. So I took some pictures of this, last November when I got here, and I haven't done a video yet. This is the first one. So I am sitting on my porch swing. It is April. Wow. It's April 6th today. Really warm day. It's in the 70s. It'll get cold again this week. But just wanted to give you a view of what I get to do when I just sit here on the swing, listen to music. Over here on the wall, there's a plug, and I have a little Bluetooth speaker, because I am a technophile. And I put on music from my computer inside, and I sit out here as the sun goes down, or late at night when it's warm. I hung these solar lights, so just a nice dim light, and it's nice out here. You're jealous. I know you're jealous. You need to be jealous. If you're not jealous, you're dead. Because this is mine. This is nice. This is styrofoam. So yeah, that's nothing to be jealous about. But over here is where I started my garden beds. So there on the right side, trees that I brought with me from Utah. Seeing what lasts, seeing what stays. And over here, beyond the styrofoam, there is what this year is going to be an annual garden bed. Mostly squash, root crops, things like that, just to have something growing in the soil. And I'm going to interplant more trees and shrubs, bushes, ground covers, and that's what's going on in that far bed, which you probably can't make out. But yeah, there's 3 beds that I tilled up, different shapes. I don't like straight lines, so nothing there is a straight line. But all that up there, if you can see through those trees up there, I don't know if you can make it out, but through the trees you can see green, and then see if I can zoom in. I can see it through there, that green. That's the neighbor's property, where the green is. But all those trees are mine. And if you come this way, there's my driveway. And it goes, good football field or so down. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know, I haven't measured. And then through there, you see my other neighbor. And the reason I say you see them is because when these trees come in, you're not going to see the neighbor's house. But you'll see that, because I'll show you again. Because this is my new project, this property. Behind this corner of the house is a whole lot of more space, and I'm not going to show you because I'm being lazy right now. And there's the corner of the house. I've got a beehive that I need to get sealed up and waxed. I'm glad you don't see the cardboard pile. Oh, darn, you kind of do. Down there past the porch, I got a ton of cardboard boxes from the move. They're all going to be for covering the soil. Right now they're killing that spot right there in the corner for me, so I can plant something good. But yeah, this is my front yard. And behind me, see if I can show you over my head. See if I can get it right. Those are my pre-bonsais. Yeah, nothing is a bonsai, so don't expect to see anything. It's all starts, small trees. I do have some large Japanese maples I don't know if I want to put them in the ground yet or leave them in pots for a little while longer. I don't know. I haven't decided where to put them. But yeah, that back there is mine. So I have all those trees there. So yeah, my property is lined with trees. If you see trees, it's mine. The neighbors up there have cattle, which is really cool because late at night you hear the moos. You know, right now, I don't know if they processed them or what. Would they have a... I'm going to guess Angus. They're all black. It's a popular breed around here. I see a lot of the black cows, and as far as I know, those are Angus because it's a more popular meat. But, yeah. So there's a short introduction to me sitting on my porch swing. I love you. I will talk to you later. And I'm going to show more detail as this project grows. Because as the trees come in, I want to show that. Plus, this is the intent. And I say intent because that's all I got. I don't know how things are going to turn out. My intent is going to do a permaculture forest garden. And fill this in as much as I can. And yeah, that's that. If you know what a permaculture forest garden is, that's great. If you want to know, well, you should look it up. I'll tell you, it's a forest of food done with permaculture. So you bring less in than you output. That's the basic goal. There's a lot more to it than that. But, yeah, so that's my front yard. All right, take care.